What are you in for?
I'll show you.
God damn it, stop that! Oh, no, sir. No, not you.
That's terrific. Really. What's your name?
Jones. Larwell Jones. Monsignor Larwell Jones.
See you around, Monsignor.
Dr. Monsignor.
Hi, I'm Douglas Backler. I always wanted to be a cop.
Office. Cadet Mahoney.
Okay, Mahoney. Get going. On the double. Move it, move it, move it. Now.
Lieutenant Harris, report immediately to the firing range. Lieutenant Harris.
Excuse me. Callahan, take over.
Hi, want a ride?
Oh, thanks.
Give me the thing!
It's really no better than television.
I wouldn't know. I never watch television.
Personally, I don't even own a television. Hungry, Diane?
For God's sakes, Michael, just take me home.
This squad deploys each day at 1,000 hours. Precisely 1,000 hours. Since you boys and girls are only rookies, you will be assigned a veteran officer who will write up a report. Okay, read the assignments.
Did you hear that?
No, sir.
Oh, Conrad, we got ourselves a flat tire. Get out and check your side. Mine's okay. How's yours?
Fine, sir.
There it goes again.
Okay, who is this? Oh, no, Lou. Oh, come on, Lou. Please, Lou. Oh, no. Lou, please. Lou. Oh, no.
Oh, no, Lou. Lou, good dog, Lou. Oh, no. Oh, no, Lou. No, Lou.
Hey! It's my green crosser!
Walk your beat, cop.
He thinks he's Bruce Lee.
You want a bet?
Damn you! Wanna fight, huh? Fight me! Yeah!
Like this. Oh, not on broccoli. Oh, not on cauliflower.
What is this place?
Barricade.
Come on. Oh, Ballbridge.
What's that?
Rats.
Rats?
Rats. Good idea. You stay here, cover the outside. Be right back. I hope.
Where it is, baby! Everybody's under arrest! This is the police department. Marshal! Watch where you're going, lady! At this time, I would like to introduce to all of you my instructor, the man who taught me how to fight. Please welcome, if you will, Sergeant John Bernier. Now, can I have a volunteer? Can I have a volunteer? Very good, Nagata.
I don't believe it.
One more ping out of you, Jonesy. I'm going to tape your lips permanently together.